Oh, hey guys, this is Mr. Riz, and I'm going to show you guys how to use linear regressions on the TI-83 calculator. It's pretty simple. We're going to use this a lot, and just so you guys show you how. Okay, so let's get this started. What you guys are going to do first is we're going to go to a list, and we're going to do second stat to get our list. Actually, we need to edit it first, so we're just going to click stat. My bad. And then once we do that, we're going to click edit. Now we'll be given a couple lists here, list 1, list 2. You might get more, but we're going to clear them both, and all you need to do is just tab up to the top list and press clear and enter. Gets rid of the whole list. And then we'll do clear and enter. Alright. Now we can put in any type of data, but I'm just going to keep it real simple. So I'm going to do, okay, 1, 2, 3. So this would be like if we had a bunch of data, like in list 1, we're going to put our independent variables. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the other side, I'll just make up some numbers. 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Now, so if we wanted to go through and actually view this as points like 0.11, 0.23, 0.34, so on and so forth on the graph, first we're going to have to make sure our graph can understand this. So we're going to do second y equals, and we're going to choose plot 1, so we'll press enter. Now, there's different ways we can view this, and first we're going to turn it on, so when we look at our graph it's going to be on. But you can see different types. I just like to use the dots, but we can also have a line graph and a line graph and a bar graph and different types. Here's the important thing, and we'll just keep it as default. List 1 is our x values, list 2 is our y values. So now if we press graph, we can actually see a graph of something that would be close to a line and would be pretty darn close. Now what we could do to determine to get a linear regression, to actually find a line of best fit, instead of doing all that work, we can have the calculator do it for us. All we need to do is hit the stat button again, and we can actually go over to calculate and calculate different things, and you guys can see that there we can do linear regressions, we can make it figure out mean, median, and mode, but we can do quadratic regression, so if it looks like a parabola, cubic regression, quadratic, and you guys can see there's different types of what we can do. Natural log, exponential, power regression, log, sine regression, so different things, and we'll go through pretty much all of these throughout the year. But we're going to click linear regression, and we'll press enter, and now we can actually see that it gives us the equation y equals ax plus b, which is basically y equals mx plus b, where m, or in this case a, is 1.628 yada yada yada, and b is negative 1.5. Now if that's too long to write down, what we could do as well is press y equals and go stat calc linear regression, which is 4. I think actually, hold on. Okay, actually, if we wanted to go through and instead of trying to guess and have it, it can graphic automatically for us. All we need to do is stat calc, click our linear regression, and then afterwards we're going to click bars, which stands for variables. We're going to go to y bars, which is our y variables. Click the first one, which is functions. Click y1, and it will go through the process again. Now if we press y equals, we can see the graph is already there. So when we press graph, there's our line of fit. So now that we have a line of fit, we can trace it, and we can actually estimate points. Let's trace the line, and so we can actually estimate points in between. So we'll do a lot with this. This is just to show you guys how to actually do this. Alright, good luck with this section. Should be pretty easy.